Kwaza mpoto kwaza. Commanders morning kuwethu sibingelele ukhulumayo Prince Wachibane, the national convener of the MK Youth League. Maqabane sinama updates la ama programs now upcoming. This coming Tuesday mhla ka3 we are going to Joburg, comrades, no longer going to Free State, we are going to Joburg. Where is our vote? The court case yahlala Maqabane, all young people must be there in their numbers. Umhla ka7 comrades so besisendwedwe ipicnic yabantu abasha build a program for 2016. Umhla ka13 we in eThekwini KZN March Maqabane mayihlome ihlasele siyofuna impendulo ngenkinga sesibhekene nazo emphakathini. Umhla ka14 sise path 4 Phungula zone June 16 lecture by comrade Dalimpofu. Umhla ka15 sika Ward 1